Sage again here reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us and please stay tuned for the Australian Stock Market Mid-Market Report. Why are ASX stocks flat at noon? ASX continues driving into earnings season. Benchmark index ASX 200 has been volatile in the early trading hours. The index rose sharply in the initial hour, but the bulls could not hold on to the gains in the next hour and is almost flat at noon. Overnight in the US, the S&P 500 index managed to post a marginal gain on Wednesday, while the NASDAQ Composite and Dow fell. The market continues to see a strong earnings season and the government's efforts to stabilise the economy is helping the cause. Except for materials and telecommunications, all sectors in the ASX 200 index are lower. The information technology sector is down the most, followed by industrials, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, healthcare and financials. Best performing stocks include Newcrest Mining, Mesoblast, Whitehaven Coal, Northern Star and Telstra Corp. In contrast, the stocks with most losses are AMP Limited, Nanosonics, Nearmap, CIMIC Group and Credit Corp. In market news, today Magellan Financial Group declared an interim dividend of 97.1 cents per share, which was 5% higher compared to the first half of financial year 20. Its average funds under management rose 9% to $100.9 billion, while net profit rose 3% to $202.3 million. AMP today announced that Ares Capital Management dumped its $1.85 per share offer, but it continues to engage with the firm for a portfolio review of AMP Capital business. It also determined that AMP Australia and New Zealand units will see the implementation of the transformation strategy. The bears took AMP shares lower after the announcements. The company also released full-year results and delivered a statutory net profit of $177 million against $2.5 billion loss last year. The company has not declared a final dividend. Grain Corp said it expects to report underlying EBITDA within $230 million to $270 million and underlying net profit between $60 million to $85 million. It was understood that the recent winter season translated into one of the largest crops in recent history. Downer EDI reported half-year number today. On books, revenue fell 10.5% to $5.82 billion compared to $6.5 billion in the same period last year. Transport segment revenue rose while all other segments fell. It also lowered the interim dividend to 9 cents per share. ASX Limited also reported half-year report. The exchange lowered the interim dividend by 3.4% to 112.4 cents per share. Its operating revenue rose 3.4% to $470.5 million, while expenses increased 8.2% to $151.4 million. Earnings per share marked a similar decrease as the interim dividend of 3.4% to 124.9 cents per share. Thanks for joining us. Sage here reporting for Kalkine Media.